Question 11, just got to raise both the numerator and denominator to the same power. There's a couple of ways of tackling this, but on the top line, x to the 6th, y to the minus 6. Because that's raised to negative 1, I can actually multiply by 3, x to the power of 4, y to the minus 2. So on the top, I get 3x to 10 times y to the minus 8. Now, that's a little bit messy in that instance, so plus 2, sorry, minus 4. So when I write that as my answer, I write them with indices to the positive. So 3 times x to the 10 divided by y to the 4th. Now in the case of B, I'm just going to rewrite that with all the bracketed terms raised to the appropriate powers. Now, that's the same as 2 to the power of 3. So squaring that, negative 2 to the power of 3 becomes 2 to the power of 6 times a to the power of 4 times b squared. Now, gathering all that up will take me a little while. Just watch as we go. Some direct cancellations. We'll get rid of that b squared. I've got a total of 2 to the power of 2 on the top line, 2 to the 6 on the denominator, so 2 to the power of 4 wins out there. I've got a 3 squared and a 3, so I'm left with a total of 3's. I'll gather up the b's, and it looks like I've got a total of b to the minus 2, which I can write later on as a positive index number. And working that through, I've got a total of a to the third, a to the 2 2/3 on the top, and I've got a total of a 4 1/3 on the bottom there. So that'll end up being a total of 2 1/3, I think. Hang on, let's just quickly check that as my final answer. Or I should say a to the 5/3.